Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Y6 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. Now to get started, let's hold power key, and from here select power off. Now once the device shuts off, all you need to do is hold power key and volume up. Hold both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the Huawei logo on the display, let go. And from here, simply tap on safe mode on the bottom and wait for the device to boot into safe mode. And as you can see, now the device is in safe mode based on that watermark in the bottom left corner. So in this mode, only the most essential apps are working. Anything that you have downloaded will be completely disabled. So you can test if, for instance, when your device was malfunctioning, if it was cause of an app or just the device itself malfunctioning. Now once you're done with the mode, all you need to do now is hold power key and this time select power, or not power, but restart. And once the device restarts, it will then go back to the normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in normal Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.